Hi, my name is Ainira binti Zainuddin. My matric number is 01DDT19F2072.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafina binti Adam Ali and my matric number is 01DDT19F2076.
Hi, my name is Nur Intan Aisyah Beti Hazali. My matric number is 01DDT19F2053.
My name is Atira Izzati binti Rosli and my matric number is 01DT19F2074.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shafina binti Adam Ali and my matric number is 01DDT19F2076. My team and myself are going to present PBT2 malware analysis using with the sample. We select several tools using malware sample for this analysis. One of them is Microsoft Network Monitor. So now I'm going to show how to use it with malware sample. First of all, open any searching engine in the Windows. So I am using Google Chrome to download the tools. Click on it. And then search and open the Microsoft Network Monitor tool to download. Click any of the option below according to the respective window bits. I choose second option, which is 64 bits. As shown below, you can see the Microsoft Network Monitor is downloading. And after the installing process done, I have to click on it. This notification will be appear, so just click yes. This is the setup for Microsoft Network Monitor. Click yes to continue the process. I accept the terms and the license agreement, and then next. Next, I choose complete installation. And after that, ready to install, just click on install to install the tools. We have to wait for a while to complete the installing process. The tools are being installed and then will be appear in the desktop. Click finish to complete the setup. So the installing process was done. Go to the desktop. Open and select the Microsoft Network Monitor tools on my desktop to start the process. This is the Microsoft Network Monitor interface as well that you can see here. The interface will have several types of options, which is file. You can open your file here, view, tools, and help. After that, I'm going to continue with my process. So click on capture file to capture the target file that I want. And then search for the target file on the Windows. So this. And this is was the network tab file. After select, click open. This is the overview of capturing the target file. In the frame summary, scroll down, we can see we got 131 frame number, and there are also different type of list of time, date, offsite, source, destination, protocol, and description, and so on. The date and time of the malware activity was on 14 January 2015 and begin at 16 a.m. and end at 9:51:56 a.m. On the same day. To display the MAC address of the DNS, click on DNS as so click on here for the protocol name DNS. After that, then notice the MAC address in the frame detail below here. In the frame detail, it has internet and there is a destination address and source address. The MAC address of the DNS server port is this. This was the MAC address of DNS server host. So to see the open port on the server host is the server host. Click on the destination that has the same server host like I just show now. So click choose the destination for that server host, which is this. After that, note the port in the frame detail. As we can see, the in the frame detail, there is doesn't show any port on the server host here. Okay, we can try on another server host with the same destination here. Search for that. So here is. In the frame detail, display the open port for the server host. Here is this. So the destination port is 53. Now I'm going to show with another one with the same server host. As you can see, here also it shows the same source port and destination port. Another one. Here, for protocol and TCP with the same server host, here they show the source port is 1399 and destination port is 21. And there's a lot of the same server host in the destination. Here the server host was source port is 1404 and the destination port was 18. Here also we got a lot of views. As you can see, you can click on new capture to capture for a different file, or you can save this process and so on. So that's all from me. Next, my friend Intan Aisha will continue. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Shafina. Hi, I'm Nur International. We proceed to the second analysis tool. The second analysis tool is Wireshark. Wireshark is an open source tool for profiling network traffic and analyzing packets. Such a tool is often referred to as a network analyzer, network protocol analyzer, and sniffer. Okay, first, after you on PC, click the Windows Start button to see Wireshark list as one of the program on the pop-up menu. Then double-click Wireshark. Okay, after that, it will display like this. Okay, this is front page of Wireshark. Okay, then we will go to File and click. It will open various options. Then click Open. After we press Open, it will exit the Wireshark Open Capture file. Per name network to be scanned and analyzed. Click Network and click Open. After the file is selected, Wireshark will be displayed as below. Here we can see this display has three panels. First panel, second panel, and third panel. The first panel here with a lot of color. So each row is a packet and each line you will see the IP packet number from the protocol, source, and destination, which is a long word and a bit of information on the second panel. And this third panel is a packet in a good legal format. If we scroll down, we will see in this network file there are 131 packet, which is a lot of network traffic going on in this network is fine. Okay. Next, we will apply a display filter to select IP address 192.198.1.2. Okay. Then click enter. They will display a specify the first panel only has the IP address or relate to this IP. Okay, double click at any packet which you want. Then it will display like a figure below. Then we will click this. Here we can see various info about this packet. They have 4 at the second panel. First is frame. Second is internet 2. Internet we see have 3. Yes, destination, source, and type. At the internet protocol version 4, it have source IP address and destination is IP address 1.3. It has total length, identification, fetch, fragment offsets, time to leave, protocol header checksum, and source address. And last, there has transmission control protocol. To see more detailed info of packets, we select any packet and press right click. Okay, click follow and next press. Okay, then click follow and then click TCP stream. Okay, they will display about Wireshark follow TCP stream, TCP.stream EQ1. Here we can see more info about the packet. We can also find out where this packet is stored and the activity is update according the date and time. Then click close. Then to find the MAC address on the DNS, we go to apply a display filter. We type DNS and enter. Click enter. Type DNS and click enter. Below is a display of packet relate to DNS protocol only. Here there are 6 DNS. Plus, double click on any packet to see the information more clearly. Okay, at here we can see the MAC address for the packet is 0090D0EB 4CE7 or 000E35087800C02. To see another information, KBC near Internet Protocol version 4 or domain name system. Okay, at the domain name system, it have transaction ID, flags, question, answer RRS, authority, additional, and queries. Or at Internet Protocol version 4, it have protocol, time to leave, and header checksum, source address, destination address. Okay, that's all from me. Next, I will pass to Atira to continue next analysis tools.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Adira Izzati binti Rosli and my match number is 01DDT19F2074. Now I'm going to show you this analysis using the network miner in a virtual box. Okay, all this process analysis I will perform in the virtual box. Okay, let's click to the Oracle VM virtual box and that we have installed in our virtual box and click start. Okay, after the virtual machine is start, open any web browser, type network miner into any web browser you have installed in your Windows 10 computer. Okay. Okay, and then choose the first link to download the network miner. The network miner can be downloaded from the official website. Scroll down and click the free edition option. If you want to get the professional version, you would have to pay for it. Okay, after the download is finished, open the folder and select the network miner file type that is application type. And then the compressed notice will appear on the screen and click on Extract from the drop down menu. It is appropriate to analyze all the process by extracting all of these files. Okay. After finishing extract all files, select the network miner file that is an application type and click to open it. After that, the interface of the network miner will be shown and we will able to pick from the list, okay, of network adapters in this section box. In the menus, there are various functional tabs which are host, file, image, credential, session, DNS, and etc. To start this analysis, we have the option of choosing between two alternatives, which are drag the picket file or by clicking the file and open. Okay. So as we can see here, for this file, we discover 4 hosts and 3 sessions and 2 DNS. Okay, let's take a look for each information. There are 4 hosts in host tabs, which are 63.215.91.200 and 192.168.1.1 and 192.168.1.1, and we also have 192.168.1.3, which is Windows. Okay, you can expand this host by clicking on it or by clicking the plus icon. All of the hosts contain fundamental information such as the IP address, MAC address, NIC vendor, open TCP port, and others detail. Okay. As you can see here, this 192.168.1.2 is an answer of question 2 and 3 that we have to display the DNS server host IP, which is 192.168.1.2. Okay, and the MAC address is 008048243332. And it also has 53 DNS Open TCP port. Okay, next we will move on to the session tabs. To open these tabs, click the session tabs and we will see all the information in host tabs. Three session in these tabs. Okay, the result is an answer to question 1 and 2. The all of three sessions start time is on 14 January 2005. In the first session frame, which is 14, the C port is 1396. In frame 176, the C port is 1403, and at 109 frame, the C port is 1404. For the all server hosts is also the same IP address, which is 192.168.1.2. The protocol is DNS for frame 14. All the client hosts are listed as 192.168.1.3, which is the Windows as we have seen earlier. Host tabs. All of this information is the foundation of the analysis. And the last tab is DNS tabs. We have two DNS here, both of the DNS server IP address is 192.168.1.1. So they are the same information in client port, server port, IP, TTL, and lastly, as we can see in case panel, it shows the file name of the file, and it also shows the MD5 hash code. With these tools, we can find very much of information. This file is contain malicious because there are many spacious activity in this file. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass this presentation to my friend, which is Zai Ainira.
Thank you. Packet total. To install Packet total, we have to download it first. Open web browser and search for Packet total. Choose the first link. This is Packet total user interface. To start scanning, you can either drag and drop the PCAP file or click to upload it. Upload the file. Once uploaded, this message will appear. Just click I'm not a robot and then click Analyze to start analyzing. Once analyzing is done, it will then redirect you to this interface. There are three different view types in Packet total, which are the console view, graph view, or timeline view for single packet capture. The information of the file is located on the top. Submitted, name of the file, MD5 hash, file size, date and time when the file is submitted. On the connection tab, there are details such as the timestamp, connection ID, sender IP, sender port, target IP, target port, transport protocol, service, and other details. There are a total of 12 connections detected. If we look at the timestamp view, you can see how long this recording was made, and it was on Friday, 40 January 2005, and took place at 1 a.m. 50 minutes and 60 seconds until 1 a.m. 50 minutes and 52 seconds. The result answer question 1 and 3 which is to display the DNS server host IP, open port, and the date or time of the malware activity. You can expand each connection by clicking on the plus icon. On the DNS tab, 3 connection was discovered. These are the information of the connections. On the Strength Activity tab, 7 activities was discovered. The information provided are as follows. To open the graph view, click on the graph icon. This is the graph for connection over time. There are also graphs for other information. To open the timeline view, click on the timeline icon. These are timelines for the connection. Lastly, based on these information figures, information for the sender IP, target IP, date and time are provided, but no MAC address information is provided. Thank you.